Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Vaman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 12A, chapter 12, simple interest. One question is written here. Question number 14. The simple interest on a certain sum for 3 years at 10% per annum is rupees 829.50. Find the sum. You have to find sum. Given is T equal to 3 years. R equal to 10% per annum. SI equal to rupees 829.50. Therefore, P equal to formula of principal equal to SI into 100 by R into T. Keep the value of SI, R and T equal to SI rupees 829.50 into 100 by R equal to 10% and T equal to 3 years. 829.50 multiplied by 100, so its decimal is cancelled. Now 0 to 0 cancel. 8,295 is divided by 3 because 8 plus 2 10. 8 to 10, 10 to 19 plus 5, 25. So divisible by 3. 3 to the 6, 22. 22, 3 7 ja 21, 1 9, 19. 3 6 ja 18. 1 5 5. 1 5 15. So 3 5 ja 15. Equal to rupees 2,765 will be answer of this question. Right? Students, next question is question number 18. At what rate percent per annum will rupees 3,600 amount to rupees 4,734 in 3 whole 1 by 2 years? Here given is P equal to rupees 3,600 and A equal to rupees 4,734 and T equal to 3 whole 1 by 2 years equal to 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 by 2 years. So find SI. SI equal to A minus P equal to rupees 4,734 minus rupees 3,600. Rupees 3,600. Subtract them. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 0, 3. 7 minus 6, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. Rupees 1,134. Now find therefore rate equal to, at what rate? R equal to, formula is SI into 100 by P into T equal to SI is rupees 1,134 into 100 by P. P is rupees 3,600. 3,600 into T, 7 by 2. So 7 multiply by denominator and 2 multiply by numerator. So 7 by 2. Now divide it. Double zero to double zero cancel. 2. 18 to the 36. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 3. 5 plus 4 9. 1,134 is divisible by 9. So 9 to the 18. 1 time. 9 1 the 9. 11 minus 9 2. 2 and 3 22. 23. 9 to the 18. 18 plus 5 23. 5 and 4 54. So 9 6 are 54. Now 2 times 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12 and 3 2 3 are 6. 7 7 9 are 63 equal to 9% per annum answer of this question. Understand it, right? Students, next question is question number 20. In this question, in what time will rupees 5,600 amount to rupees 6,720 at 8%? Students, we have to find here time. Time equal to SI into 100 by P into R. So P is given, R is given. We have to find SI. So write P equal to rupees 5,600. A equal to rupees 6,720. R equal to 8% per annum. Find SI equal to A minus P equal to A equal to 6,720 minus rupees 5,600. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 7 minus 6, 1. And 6 minus 5, 1. So rupees 1,120. Now find SI. Sorry. Now find it what time. So find T equal to ASI into 100 by P into R equal to, keep the value, SI rupees 1,120 into 100 by P into R. P rupees 5,600 into R is 8. Cancel double zero to double zero. Okay. Now 4 times. Cancel 4 times. 4 to the 8. And divisible it by 4 times. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 3 to 32. So 4 is the 32 and 0. Now 7 times. 7 times. 7 is the 56 and 7 for the 28. and 0 40. 8 5 जा 40 equal to 5 by 2 years. That means 2 or 1 by 2 years answer. Understand? Hence, next, and today it is last question of question number 21. A sum of money becomes 8 by 5. A sum of money becomes 8 by 5 of itself in 5 years at a certain rate of simple interest. Find the rate of interest. Students, we have to find here rate of interest R, and time is 5 years given. Let P equal to rupees X. Let principal P equal to rupees X. So A equal to, according to question, 8 by 5 of itself. So that means rupees 8x by 5. And in 5 years, so T equal to 5 years. Now find SI. SI equal to A minus P equal to A in 8x by 5 minus x equal to LCM 5 8x minus 5x equal to rupees 8x minus 5x equal to 3x. 3x by 5 is the SI of this principal. So now find T equal to. Find the rate. So R equal to ASI into 100 by P into T equal to ASI is 3x by 5 into 100 by P is x and T is 5. X to x cancel. 100 divided by 20 times. So 25 is 100. 100 divided to 5. 25 is 100. And 20 divided by 5. 4 5 is 20. Equal to 4 3 is 12. 12% per annum answer. Students, understand and write it. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 12A. Thank you. That's all.